Let's see how to safely replace an OLT fan. First, carefully open the top cover of the OLT cabinet. Next, identify the faulty fan and gently remove its screws with care. Now, disconnect the fan wire from the connection board. Usually, the wires of both fans are tied together using a cable tie. Remove the tie very carefully to avoid damaging or cutting the wires. After that, detach the fan from the connector board and remove it completely. Now take the new fan and place it in the exact position of the old one. Connect it properly and secure it using the same screws that were removed earlier. Finally, close the OLT cabinet properly, just as it was before.